Curacao, JetBlue 1112.
1112, go ahead.
Sir, we just had traffic pass directly in front of us within 5 miles of us, maybe 2-3 miles, but it was an air-to-air refueler from the United States Air Force, and he was at our altitude. We had to stop our climb.
Confirm the traffic was at your altitude.
They're heading off to the northeast right now. They passed directly in our flight path. We had to stop our climb. They are not painting. They don't have their transponder turned on. It's outrageous.
JetBlue 1112, yes, I don't have anything on my scope. It has been outrageous with the unidentified aircraft within our airspace. You are totally right, sir.
Well, I apologize. If you can make a note of it, we almost had a mid-air collision up here.
Yes, sir. We will make a note.
They're heading off into Venezuelan airspace, if that helps, but they're going off to the northeast. I'll give you some distance here from the VOR. They're at 340, just going happily along. It looks like about the 015 radio off of Curacao 150 DME.
JetBlue 1112, queued up.
Go ahead, sir.
Just to confirm the traffic crossed in front of you at level 340, right?
That traffic looked like they were level at 340. We're passing through 33.3, 33.4, somewhere in that range when we caught them at maybe the 10 o'clock position, but they were moving directly in front of us at 34, and we were climbing to 35, so we had to stop our climb and actually descend to avoid hitting them.
Correct. Just for me to make the annotation.
We'll do a report on our end too, but they did not have the transponder turned on, so there's no way for you to have seen them.
Yes, please make your report, so at least in that case you can get the authorities to be investigating that.
Yep, sorry about this.
Okay, sir, thank you.